Located northeast of Xi'an, the China-Central Asia Friendship Trees were planted within the Xi'an International Convention Center, where they're carefully looked after by the center's staff.
Right now, most of the pomegranate trees are finishing their blooming season. You can see some tiny green fruits popping up on the branches. With proper care, they will grow big and red by around September.
One of the gardeners taking care of these trees is Liu Jiancai.
几棵树的长势怎么样？
长势目前长得挺旺的。
那您平时都是怎么养护它们的？
我们平时这石榴树是
Pomegranate trees are drought resistant and can grow in poor soil conditions. These trees originally come from Xi'an. We carry out irrigation, pruning, and pest control based on the season and weather. For example, we irrigate according to soil moisture level in spring, summer, and autumn. During the growing season, we prune the new shoots to balance growth. And in winter, we shape the trees, keeping them neat and beautiful.
At first, this area was a bit low, so during the rainy season, water would collect around the roots, which isn't good for the pomegranate trees. To fix that, we did some drainage work last year, and now the problem is completely solved.
In this ancient city where east and west have collided for 1,000 years, each pomegranate tree links China's past and future with the countries of Central Asia. 杨燕 CGTN 西安陕西 Province。